Today I'm at Ram's Head on the southeast coast of Ireland to see a wreck that on the 12th of December next year will be here 40 years. It's a large barge crane, which is a barge with a large crane, and it was hired for works in Malta. It left Liverpool on the 9th of December 1987. A bit funny to me because the sea conditions and all, and you know, December wouldn't be great, and that's exactly what happened. Because on the 11th of December, the line between the barge and the tug broke. They tried to reattach it and they failed, and the two men that were on the barge, they had to be helicoptered off. So that was the 11th of December. On the 12th of December, it had floated across the Irish Sea and got stuck on the rocks. It was never salvaged because it's just a barge and a crane, and the cost of the salvage against the value of the scrap wasn't worth it. Well, anyway, we're going to have a look now. Here's a few photographs I managed to find online of the Samson in Liverpool and a couple of days after it got grounded. I tried to clear up the photographs as much as possible. They're not fantastic, they're mainly screenshots from video, from archive video, but either way it'll give you something to weigh up the following images against what it once looked like. So because they couldn't salvage it, it's basically being left here, and it's interesting when you see, look at the video, you can see the erosion and corrosion and just what salty water can do and wind. The jib, which is the long part of a crane, the arm of a crane so to speak, that broke off and fell into the sea in April 2016. When the salvage was deemed not viable, they emptied it of lubricants and fuels and, you know, everything else. So it was just literally a rusting hulk. Like all these places, it's very scenic, isn't it? Rust has a rich colour all of its own, and I just love it. These seagulls, by the way, they're very aggressive. I'm flying the drone low and I am definitely nervous that I can see them flying past the camera super close. I think it's because I'm in their territory. But if one of them crashes into the drone, that's gone. So fingers crossed for the rest of my flights, huh? I'm sure you can see in the video what a scenic location this is. You can find it by following the cliff trail from a place called Ardmore, a lovely village. Just, it's only 20 minutes walk, or if even that. And further away is the fantastic city of Waterford. So if you're ever around, go and have a look at that. The crane itself was actually built in 1959. It weighs in an incredible, well, in its original state, almost 1,000 tons. I went out of my way, me and my daughter, to arrive at low tide. We made a little bit of a mess of it the first day, so we had to come back. You can see in the video, you can see the base of the crane, the actual barge, that would be invisible at high tide. That's why we came. I was hoping to be able to see the jib that fell off through the water, but you couldn't. The water was so dark. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with this footage. Very happy with that footage. Me and Amy, we made an effort to be here at low tide. This actually took 2 days. But anyway, yeah, don't forget, 12th of December next year, 40 years since that's here. I've passed so many people this afternoon, locals walking the trail, and I can hear people talking about it being a shipwreck, and it's this and it's that. Jesus, you're locals, get your facts right, huh? Okay, take it easy.